Let us spill this already spilled juice and talk about some reality TV things. Guys, can we all agree ukuthi Isencane Lengane is the most traumatic reality TV one can ever watch, right? And I know a lot of people will say, no, but that's how marriages are, hey, blah, 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 this and that. But guys, I feel Uguti Utando is alone in her own marriage. Like, Ugirl is literally sitting there alone and she is a missus. Utando expressed to Guti, she's the one that buys food, right? She is the one that takes care of the household. She's the one that does every single thing for the child. And I hated that the mother-in-law, instead of calling both of them and asking them, Uguti, guys, what are you doing with your money? She goes and targets Utando and asks Utando, Uguti Tando, what are you guys doing with your money? Knowing very well, Uguti, their son is a very disrespectful child that does not care about anybody, that responds anyhow, that does not care about anyone's feelings but his own. Now, because they know they're going to get the worst answer on earth, they don't even ask him. They ask Utando. Number two, Utando is busy painting the house there and whatnot. And Usia Kalanje is just busy talking, sitting down and doing all these things. And I'm like, who is allowing this? Honestly, like, yo, guys, you know, when you are in a relationship, ne, you would say, I'm staying in this relationship for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we stay in relationships for different reasons. I don't want to lie. And the reason why I'm feeling so sorry for Tando, where I'm seated, I don't see why she's still in that relationship. Because Usiakala goes to Joburg, forgets that he's a father, you know, does things that are out of tune. But Utando is still there. Basically, Utando uhlalele ukuthi uMrs. Dlamoga at this point. Yo, angeke Isencane Lengane. No, ayiphele.